Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Somesh and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna break down my $30,000 day. I made $30,000 in just 1 hour of trading, and I'll break down the entire play. I took 2 trades. I signaled the whole plays to my mastermind students. Let's just break it down really quick. Okay, so I was looking at 932, looking to buy Tesla soon. 950 calls at $8, right? So this is where I was looking to buy around this area. Why? Because we had 900 and it's always a zone like this. It's never a single line. So it was a zone. So I knew for a fact that we will gap below. We'll go below a little bit, stop all these people out before making a bigger move. And exactly what happened. We went down there a little bit. We made a little move lower, stopped out all these people. The weak hands got shaken out. The market makers got their shares, and we pushed up, right? So we got from 50% profits, we went from 70%, 80%, 90, and this is like AMD. I'll break this trade down soon. We went 133. So we actually sold at around 150% gains on this Tesla. It was just insane. I closed my day at $30,616. It was a beautiful day. So one play this was the first play, and I'll mark him. Entry was right here. We were selling as we were moving higher. Why? Now I'll show you guys. So we made a higher high, another higher high, another higher high, and now this was my stop loss. Yes, we were taking the profits around in this area. We were taking profits in this area because in a big position, as you guys can mention, I kept saying I'm taking profits, but here we failed to hold those areas. And what happened? My stop loss got triggered and I got out, right? Now, this was my big play of the day. This brought in like 150%. And I jumped in with like 20 contracts. I did 10 contracts, then I added 10 more later on. So around here I added. So this was a big move, and I added like, I think my average price was $840, but sold some contracts at 21. So this was a big move. This was the entire move that why we were watching it. The first reason why I was watching this play at first place was 60-minute chart. If you see this right here, we were holding very strong compared to what was happening on SPY this morning. We were red on this candle, 8 o'clock candle, we were red. QQQs, we were red. But Tesla was holding stronger than the market. I knew that if market turned around, Tesla will be the #1 stock for me to watch, and it will turn around as well. And exactly what happened. We went through the zone, stopped some people out, and we made a big move. And that was a $40 move. Went from $8.95 to $9.35. That was a $40 move. It was just beautiful. Now let me break down the other play that I took on AMD. I actually signaled that play on my Instagram live, IG live that I did this morning. So the play on AMD went like this. Same thing. Jump on a 60-minute chart really quick. You see this? This was 8 o'clock candle. We were holding very strong. Now, if I come to QQQ, what I showed you guys before, 8 o'clock candle was going red. So we were going red on that name, right? So what happened? 60-minute chart on AMD, we were holding strong, and I was looking at a bounce. Why? Because there's a lot of times that when we are gapping up such a huge percentage on the name, and right at the market open, we see some profit taking. Right? Exactly what happened. We started seeing some profit taking because we closed around 94.6. We're opening somewhere, we're at 96.6. That's a $2 gap up, and we started coming down. Now, mind me not, I was watching this level for a bounce initially, but I saw on the tape sellers took over. So I stayed a little, I stayed back a little bit because sellers took over. I knew for a fact that we will go below. We'll get below this level. 94 is my main key level. If it went below 94, that's where I'm gonna jump in my play, and I will catch my move. And exactly what happened. We got in right here. I started taking profits somewhere here, kept taking profits somewhere here, and we got another move on this. So these two plays, there was a third play that I took as well. There was SPX, but that was a very, very small move, so I wouldn't talk much about that. It was a really, really little move. It was somewhere around here when we opened, and we around 10 o'clock when we pulled back a little, I was able to catch a little push, but I sold really quick. It was only like $400 trade, but I won't talk too much about this. But the main trades there were AMD. Why? Because we started selling off a little profit taking and also have some earnings, so there was a change of hands around this and we saw a move. And the Tesla, that's called a big level 900, we went below, hit a lot of stop losses, and what happened? We made a big move. So these were my two trades that I took. I took these plays live with my mastermind students, and it was really good. I hope you guys found some value in this. If you did, throw me a like, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of future videos coming. There will be a lot of value coming to this channel, so hit the bell notification so you do not miss out. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.